Today is wash day. Thank God for Cecred. Cecred saves my scalp. This is an update on this. This thing right here works so good. I sprayed this a week ago in my hair because I was trying to do 2 weeks. I was trying to do 2 weeks before I shampoo my relaxed hair. I used this and it worked. The update is if you're having itchy scalp, try this. I know it's expensive, it's $38, but it keeps your hair moisturized. It has some moisturization. It has some moisturization in there. My hair was nice. Yes, I did have a little bit of itchiness during the week, but nothing like I'm ready to go crazy. I could have used it again, but I say no. I want to use it once and see how the process worked, and it worked well. That I can recommend. If my hair is still on my head and my scalp does not have scabs in 2 weeks, you know this thing worked. So, would I recommend Secret by Beyonce? And it's a hair, it is a scalp refer it is a scalp refresher spray. Yes, I would recommend Secret. My scalp might be dirty, but it is not itchy. My scalp might be dirty now, but it's not itchy. I was able to manage not scratching my scalp as much because I use this. Thank you, Cecred. That's my secret update.